everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today I have been asked by Katrina from Mindful Crafts and More to take part in her 2K celebration. And as the name describes, as the name of the title describes, it's 2K 50 for me and 50 for you giveaway 2022. And this is to celebrate, as I said, Katrina's 2K. So I just want to read through. The prize is no way is YouTube involved in this. It's all between Katrina and her husband, and they're giving away two $50 Amazon digital gift cards. One will go to the subscriber and one will go to one of the participating channels. It runs for 2 weeks, guys, and two semi-finalists will be drawn on the 19th of August, and you'll have then 7 days to respond. The names will be then, once they've, for example, I choose a winner. I pick a winner. The winner has 7 days to contact me, and then I will contact Katrina with the winner's name. And then on or around the 26th of August, she'll choose the final winner from all the semi-finalists. So you must be subscribed to Katrina's channel, and her link is in the description box below. You please give a thumbs up. You've got to be 18 years and over. Avoid where prohibited. Open to US and international where Amazon is located. If international, $50 value is the maximum. Must have a valid email address to receive their prize. You must know how to use and receive digital Amazon gift cards. Participants are allowed to comment once on each participating channel for a greater chance to win. So, for example, say that you commented on Katrina's, you commented on mine, and anybody else who is taking part in this 50 for you, me and 50 for you giveaway. Participants must follow specific rules on each video they enter. YouTube and Amazon are not affiliated with this in any way, and they cannot cut and paste comments, guys. You mustn't cut and paste your comments from channel to channel. YouTube do not like it because they consider it spam and you could be blocked. Mindful Crafts, as I said, Katrina and her husband are responsible for the prizes, and any questions that you've got, just email Katrina and I'll put her email address in the description box below. I'll also leave in the description box below, guys, the community guidelines from YouTube, and I think that is about it. The above rules, yeah, so everything else is just for me to do. Katrina would prefer it that we didn't give prizes to our semi-finalists, so I'm not going to do that, guys. So all I'm going to say is good luck. Check my link below. For Katrina, go to Katrina's channel because she'll have all the list of all the participants doing this, so always refer back to Katrina's channel. Don't forget, on my channel, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and please subscribe. hit the bell icon and you'll get notifications of all the videos I did. So you've got from now until the 19th of August to get your comments in, and I wish you good luck, guys. I wish you all the best. Take care, stay safe. More importantly, guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.